Okay, 8.4. This is the last section of the chapter 8 notes. So just some things to highlight here. RT and then TQ. So this is RT, RU. So these are both on top. And then down here, TQ and QS, these are both on the bottom. So you kind of follow this pattern when that happens. This one, RT and RU, they're on top. Then you have, oh, this is the same thing basically. Yeah, this is the same. So if this is the case, then these lines are parallel. UW is here. VX is here. Then WY is here. XZ is here. So just be mindful of that when you put these into the your proportionality, your equality, whatever you want to call it. Triangle bisector, I put it on here. I'm going to be referring to this later. This is not the only way to do these types of problems. It's just one way that works, so I like to do it that way. Okay, so over here, when I do these, I like to kind of just turn it this way. That 1 is not supposed to be there. That 1 is actually the number of the, it's supposed to be out here. So here's how I like to do these. It's already set up for you. So you've got the 5, and you've got the 10 over on this side. Then you've got the x here, x over 6. So that's your setup. 10x equals 30, x equals 3. So that's this one. So what I like to do with these is I just turn them to make this setup easy for me. So this one, now it's set up. Here's your x. So this one is 7 over x equals 9 over 2, because it's just set up like that. So 9x equals 14, x equals 14 over 9. That's the answer. Okay, so 3 over 4 equals 4 over 5. These are not equal, so no, it's not parallel. 6 over 4, and then 7.5 over 5. I'm not sure if that works. So 7.5 over 5 is 3/2, and that's the same as this. So yes, they are parallel. So this means parallel. If you didn't know that, make that note. Parallel. Okay, back here. This might get a little messy. Okay, well, UV is this one here. And then UW. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to color code these. So the top one is blue. The bottom one is red. And then let's make the whole thing orange. Whole thing is orange. So UV, blue, XY, blue, UW is orange. So that means this needs to be orange. So XZ is the answer there. Okay, XY is blue, YZ is red. So VW is red, then this one needs to be blue. So UV goes here. ZY is red. So WV is also red. WU is orange. So WU is this side, so XZ. Actually, it goes bottom to top, so ZX is the answer here. All right, and then this one. I just use this. There's other ways you can do this. This way works for me, so if you have other ways you want to try this out, you're welcome to do it that way. AD, so this, I'm just going to label this like this picture. So C, A, D, B. C, A, dB. Okay, so AD is 5 divided by dB is x equals, this would be 15, right? CA is 15, and then 9. So 9 times 5 is 45 equals 15x, so x equals 3. Oh, shoot, here we go. Keeping this here so you can see it. Yeah, that works right there. So it's AD is B divided by dB. dB is 14 minus B. 14 minus B. So I jumped ahead here. This whole thing is 14. We know this is B. So that means, like, yeah, so that means this is 14 minus B. If you get it, you can ignore this next part. Like if, let's go over here. If this line is 10 units, and then if this is x here, then this is 10 minus x. Alright, if that still doesn't make sense, let's do this again, one more time. Whole thing is 10 units. This is 6 units. So 10 minus 6 is 4. Yeah? Okay? No? That's why this works. Anyway. CA. CA is 9. CB is 6.75. Great, decimals. 6.75B equals 9 times 14 minus B. So 6.75B equals, oh wow, it's barely on the edge there. So 6.75B, no, 9 times 14 is 126 minus 9B. So 6.75 plus 9 is 15.75B equals 126. Divide by that. You get B equals 8. Is that all I needed? Yeah, that's the answer. All right, that is all for the chapter 8 notes.